Zara, what's new with you?
Oh, you know, Clara, the life of retirement. Can you believe it? My second grandchild was born last week.
Oh my gosh, congratulations! Speaking of grandchildren, look at what one of my 32 grandkids put up yesterday.
32 grandkids. Oh, wow, Clara, that's amazing. Is this our old yearbook? Wow, it only feels like yesterday when we were just putting it together in, what's his name? Mr. Waddell's class?
Oh, Zara, I will always cherish the memories in high school.
I can't believe that we're still friends after all this time. It seems that friendships you make in high school really do stick with you.
I call the couch. Ew! Why does it smell like that? Apparently someone put a shoe in the microwave a couple of weeks back. Ew. Alright guys, come round. We're going to do July birthdays. Put your snacks up the front. Oh, seriously? This is all we got? Alright guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to... Oh, again!
Ziada, can you pass me the Nutella? Bruh, look at the mess you made. Oh wait, I think Shirley's coming. Quick, run!
On your marks. Get set.
Dilly, why do your shoes look like highlighters?
Go!
Hey Tristan, what events are you doing?
Oh, I'm just doing javelin for cluster points. Miss Griffiths is making me do it.
Alright.
Guys, it's time for tug of war!
Ready, set, heave!
Useless. Geez, do you remember Year 11 camp? We got the brand new dorms while the boys got the old crusty ones.
Those were the times. With my hobbling knees, I wouldn't be able to do caving again.
This is all your fault.
What do you mean? It was your idea anyway.
Boys, you wouldn't be in this position in the first place if you didn't jump off the second story of the dorms. Yeah, keep quiet.
Remember not being able to shower during Outdoor Ed camp?
And how Miss Mewling pranked Gabby?
Miss, I'm not joking. There's a snake in my tent. You've got to look. Like, I'm serious, miss.
You're being ridiculous, Gabby.
No, miss, there's a snake. I'm serious.
What the? Bleep.
Guys, I really miss my phone.
Should have brought something more than 2-minute noodles. Is it just me or does this taste like methylated spirits?
A terrible incident happened on outdoor ed camp a couple years ago when Dave fell off his bike and badly injured himself. Dave, our thoughts and prayers are definitely with you, and we hope you get well soon. For Dave on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at this. The dinner dance. Do you remember Brenda and how mean she was to Shirley?
Good morning, everyone. My name's Brenda. Shirley! And this is my assistant, Shirley. And today we'll be going over the jive. Now, we all remember what we did last week with your back replaced and your quick and your quick. Let's go over that one more time, shall we? And go. Replace. Quick, 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 and quick. Replace, quick. Shirley! You clubs!
Oh, Clara, are you sick?
Unfortunately, yes, it becomes more common with old age.
This reminds me of when everyone got COVID at our Year 11 dinner dance. From, I think it was Charles, right?
So great to see everyone without their masks.
Yeah, it feels like forever since we've actually seen everyone's faces.
One day later.
Hey, why is no one at school today? Well, someone got COVID, that's why.
Oh no.
Whilst all these events were grand, there's nothing like a normal day in school that brings me back.
Oh yes, the science labs were my favourite, but not Mr. Lim's food for thought menus.
I never even got my Bunsen burner license. Seriously, what did Mr. Schmidtbecker have to do with it?
What the heck? Where is everyone?
Sorry I'm late, sir. All the year 11s are taking up parking spot.
Don't want to hear it. So, I hope you've all watched the organics videos 1 through to 20 last night. And as I say, I highly recommend doing your retrieval practice. What the heck, Josie? Cannot listen to music and focus. And if anyone else would like to join on the giving up of social media, there's a pizza party involved. So good luck.
A pizza party? That's nothing. My class made us all shirts, but it has my face on it.
Physicists, what are we doing in this class? Chemistry? Pooh!
Sir, you're so beautiful.
Thank you, young Zachary. Look at this gift question on electromagnetism. Get your right hand from north to south into the page and up you go.
Doesn't look like there's much work going on in here.
Miss, have you marked our tests yet?
Sorry, I have a little bit of post-concussion. You guys look a bit tired. I think we can do some star jumps. Star jumps, up everyone!
No. If there's anything you need to learn from my classes, it's to not mix chunks of sodium and water.
Ah yes, Mr. Lapiana, who will be remembered for the rest of his teaching career as the teacher who nearly blew up the science lab.
I remember that, and it went off during Mr. Stock's test.
Who wants to play flappy golf?
Morning, Miss Davis. Looking very green today.
Thank you for noticing, Mr. Stuck. It's my special Krispy Kreme giving outfit. Assuming that everyone does get an A in this test.
But miss, has anyone in your class actually ever gotten an A before?
Guys, just remember, Father Rob Galera is coming next week. Him and his muscles.
My literature class. Oh, the good old days when Miss Rath would talk some sense into all of us.
Guys, I think I forgot my book.
Get it quick before Miss Roth sees.
Has everyone got their copies of the turning today? Marcus?
Yeah, about that, miss. It's all Connor's fault, miss. It wasn't me.
It's already somebody else's fault. I didn't know that Connor was such an integral part of your life. Anyway, we're moving on and learning about the inextricable link between love and loss today.
Oh, Gracie, could you tuck your shirt in, chat? Splendid. Now we're all looking at $1 million. Very well, folks. Let's do some revision on Tsarist Russia. Now, who shall I conscript? Harry J. Ellis. When was the October Manifesto created? I must warn you, Harry, if you get this wrong, I must issue you a fatal beating.
November?
Dear me, Harry! What? Are you Bozo the Clown from Moscow Circus? Felix?
Berlin?
By golly, Felix! You have the mental capacity of a dehydrated cabbage! Folks, did I take that joke too far? Felix, you know my sense of humor, right? Very well, folks, let's continue on with the lesson. We have a lot to get through today, and I promise to keep my mouth zipped.
40 minutes later.
By George! Is that the time already? Oh, crumbs! Folks, you should have warned me.
Oh golly, isn't it nice to reminisce?
It feels like only yesterday when we graduated.
I miss spending time with everyone, but it will always stay so close to my heart that we were the graduating class of 2023.
Whilst I'm glad to never sit an ATAR exam again, I'll miss singing in class, the constant yells and the chuckles of our classmates.
Oh Zara, let me get you a handkerchief.
Oh, I wish I could go back in time. At least we can keep this love in a photograph. Wait, Clara, what's that noise?
Oh my gosh, it can't be.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that keeps us alive. When it gets hard, I know it can get hard sometimes, but it's the only thing that's with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We keep these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never open, hearts forever frozen, time forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words mean I will remember how you are. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come for me to come home. 3, 2, 1. For Christ will joyfully follow. Be a temple of worship of praise. Who made his God and his teachings for Western Australia's day. Satan Christ will build his kingdom, faithfully follow his call. Bear the frame that's proudly, and with this goes up for all. And with this goes up for all. And we sit fast in our mission, every day we renew in the Lord. May his peace and his love sustain us, and his name be ever adored. Centered in Christ will build his kingdom, faithfully follow his call. Bear the frame that's proudly, and with this goes up for all. And with this goes up for all. Magnificat anima, Deo Domino, et Spiritus Spiritus, Deus in Deo, salutare Deo.
Can we all please stand and show our appreciation to the class of 2023 as they leave the gymnasium. Goodbye and good luck.
Can all the